a dream.
In part 2 of our Western Australia adventure, we explore Esperance, Lucky Bay and the Cape Grande National Park. We enjoy some inside activities in Esperance. The sun finally comes out and we enjoy the beautiful Esperance coast and beaches. And we camp at the spectacular Lucky Bay in the Cape Grande National Park.
We've enjoyed a few days, probably more than we thought, at Esperance because of the weather. We bunkered down and I'm glad we did because it got a bit gnarly there for a while. High winds was the main thing, a little bit of rain, but it's not that much, to be honest. It was more the wind. So as you can see today, which is Tuesday, there's not a cloud in the sky hardly. So we're heading out to Lucky Bay. Forecast isn't fantastic, but you can't change the weather. We've booked for 3 nights, and if the weather improves, I guess there's an option that we might be able to book another couple of nights because there's not many people on the road. So that's the plan for today. Short drive to Lucky Bay. We've done the Nullarbor. Hopefully you've enjoyed that video. Really enjoyed that trip. And we're now looking forward to part 2 of our Western Australian adventure. Signing off for now.
Over and out.
A little footnote to that last video, because I mentioned it a couple of times in the Nullarbor video, we were having some issues. Steve had some electrical problems. Well, that turned out to be batteries, dead, gone. We had them load tested by the caravan place here, and both his AGM batteries were stuffed. They were down to about 10 or 11 volts by the time that happened. His lights started to flicker and everything. So unfortunately that was an expensive exercise. Mine was a little bit different. The guy there was fantastic at the Esperance Caravan and Repair Centre. I highly recommend them. He diagnosed a thermostat. There's 4 thermostats in the Swift hot water system, believe it or not. And we tested all 4 and one of them was faulty. So for now we've bypassed that. And it works perfectly well apparently with the 3 thermostats if you bypass the faulty one. I did buy a new set of 4 thermostats at the caravan place. It was about $60 because I need one anyway. And B, you never know when it might happen again. So Steve's got electricity, I've got gas hot water, and everything's fixed for now. So yeah, just thought I'd give you an update because I did mention it a couple of times during that Nullarbor video. Signing off.
Over and out. This is entering
The National Park.
the national park.
Cape Grande.
Is Lucky Bay part of that national park?
Lucky Bay is the campground within the Cape Grande National Park, which we've just entered. I think we're about to get some pretty cool views. Well, here we are coming into Lucky Bay Campground. The sun's shining on that beautiful white sand. What a spectacular spot. Sun's still poking through the clouds for now, so fingers crossed. We're really looking forward to camping here for the next 3 nights.
Oh my God, look at that beach. We've just arrived at Lucky Bay Campground and that view is just spectacular. Coming into Lucky Bay camp spot, now we're just finding what spot we'd like to stay in for the next 3 or 4 days.
One with shelter, a view, and close to the toilets. That one would be good.
Afro, whoa.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Stay tuned for the next video as we move our way west into Albany and beyond.